In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate a domain in Mailchimp. Authenticating your domain is a crucial step to ensure that your emails have the best chance of reaching your audience's inboxes rather than getting caught in spam filters. By verifying your domain, you're essentially telling email providers that Mailchimp has permission to send emails on your behalf, which can greatly improve your email deliverability. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the Mailchimp homepage. Once you're there, locate the profile icon, which is typically found in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will present you with a drop-down menu. Next, from the drop-down menu, select the Account and Billing option. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Mailchimp account. It's important to note that access to these settings may require appropriate permissions, so ensure you're logged in with an account that has administrative rights. Now, once you are on the Account and Billing page, look for the Domains section and click on it. This is where you'll manage all the domains associated with your Mailchimp account. The Domains page is crucial because it allows you to add, verify, and manage the domains you wish to authenticate. After clicking on Domains, you'll see an option to add and verify domain. Click on this button. This action will prompt you to enter the domain you wish to authenticate. Once you input your domain, Mailchimp will provide you with specific DNS records that you'll need to add to your domain's DNS settings. These records are typically in the form of CNAME, TXT, or MX records, and they serve as proof to email providers that Mailchimp is authorized to send emails on your behalf. It's important to follow the instructions provided by Mailchimp carefully when adding these DNS records. You'll need to access your domain registrar or DNS provider account to make these changes. This process might vary slightly depending on your DNS provider, so be sure to consult their support documentation if needed. After you've added the DNS records, it may take some time for these changes to propagate across the internet. This is normal, and the time it takes can vary depending on your DNS provider. Once the records have propagated, return to Mailchimp and check if the domain verification has been successful. If everything is set up correctly, your domain status should update to verified. And that's it! You've successfully authenticated your domain in Mailchimp. By taking these steps, you'll help ensure that your emails are delivered successfully, improving your engagement with your audience. If you encounter any issues, Mailchimp support resources or your domain provider support team can offer additional guidance. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing!